How do we restore deleted files on our computer? If you delete files on your computer, be it audio, video, or picture, the files go to the recycle bin. At that moment, you can right click in the folder and undo the delete. The files will be restored. What if you deleted the files in the past? In that case, you would have to go to the recycle bin. Then right click on the file you want to restore. Then restore it. You can do that for all the files you like to restore. So that is how you restore deleted files on your computer from the recycle bin.